Yo, what's up? It's your boy Libra from Libra's World and Libra Chronicles. Hope everybody feeling blessed. Happy Wednesday out there to everybody. Today we at my local Starbucks, my job. We make the wonderful drinks, but we make people's dreams come true. We make people happy, you know. Today we're going to be making that new Mr. Beast drink, the Cannonball drink. I'm going to be doing it a little in my own version. So let's get to it. There y'all go. Mr. Beast Cannonball drink. Y'all be sure to check out your local Starbucks. Be sure to try. Be sure to go show some love to Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, shout out to you for this new Cannonball drink.